despite being the largest continent in the world, and hosting some of the most expensive countries like Japan and Singapore. Asia is still one of the most favorite destinations for backpackers who want to get the most bang for their buck. So if you're planning for your next budget-friendly trip, here is a quick guide on the cheapest Asian countries to visit. Here are our top 10 cheapest destinations in Asia. 10. The Philippines, $35 per day. Palm trees, beautiful beaches, wonderful diving spots, and unforgettable sunsets make the Philippines the perfect country to indulge yourself and have a pleasant time while still traveling on a budget. Even though visiting the country will cost you slightly more than the others, it is quite possible to keep a reasonable budget if you avoid large cities. A night in a dorm room will cost between $10 and $15. The boat offers a good alternative to the plane since it goes for a little under $10 but also very slow. As always, street food is cheap between $3 to $7. Since beer is around $1, a parameter that is used by many travelers to determine whether a country is cheap to travel to or not, then the Philippines qualify to be on this list of the cheapest countries in Southeast Asia. 9. Myanmar, Burma, $35 per day. You better hurry up and go. At first inaccessible, the country has been gradually opening up to tourists since the end of the dictatorship in 2011. Still affordable, prices are rising from year to year. Rumor has it that the government wants to make the country a luxury destination. Nothing very surprising as the country has so many wonders to offer. The ancient city of Bagan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is alone a reason to visit Myanmar. The train is very affordable but the buses are a bit more expensive compared to other Asian countries, but the comfort they provide makes up for it. The main costs in Myanmar will be on accommodation, as it is sometimes difficult to find dorms, yet private rooms go for about $20 to $25. Cut down the expenses by meeting other travelers and sharing private rooms. A tip that will make your stay in Burma one of the cheapest holiday destinations in Asia. 8. Sri Lanka, $33 per day. Sri Lanka is ridiculously one of the cheap countries to travel in Asia, despite the immense beauty that lies in the little gem. Not so little though, Sri Lanka has become a popular destination among travelers, especially backpackers, due to its unbelievably low cost of living. This Asian island boasts over 8 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, incredible wildlife, amazing white sand beaches, and incredible landscapes that are picture-perfect. From incredible landmarks like Sigiriya, Adams Peak, and Ella, you'd think that you need a lot of money to enjoy Sri Lanka. But with an average budget of $25 to $33 a day, you can expect to enjoy Sri Lanka to the fullest. Food in Sri Lanka is really cheap, so you can expect to spend like $2 on a meal, $7 on accommodation, $8 on activities, and $2 on transportation. With that low cost of living, it's undeniably true that Sri Lanka is one of the cheapest countries to visit in Asia. 7. Thailand, $30 per day. With a country brimming with beauty, you'll be surprised to know that it's one of the cheapest countries to visit in Asia. With everything well organized compared to other cheap places in Asia, Thailand is an easy country to travel in by all kinds of travelers. No wonder it has become a popular destination for backpackers. From the chaotic city of Bangkok, the underlying beauty of Chiang Mai, to incredibly beautiful beaches in Phuket, Thailand is a must-visit place if you're looking for the Cheapest country to travel in Asia without compromising on beauty. Though some resorts are a bit more pricey than others. The best way to stay on a budget is to stick to the wide variety of street food. Sleep in hostels, and use public transportation. Sleeping in a private room at a hostel will cost you around $8. You can expect to spend $3 on street food. And around $5 on transportation within the city per day. With an average budget of $30 per day. Thailand truly qualifies to be one of the cheapest places to visit in Asia. 6. Nepal, $30 per day. Home to the highest mountains in the world. Nepal has become a perfect hiking destination for many hikers. And since it's one of the cheap countries in Asia, the number of backpackers keeps increasing every now and then. From the impressive views from a flight over Mount Everest, incredible hikes to the Himalayas, to the beautiful views of rice terraces. There are so many things to do in Nepal. Even though the flight over Mount Everest is expensive, the general cost of living is low, making it the cheapest country in Asia. One tip to save money in Nepal is to stay away from organized guided hiking trips, since the country is mostly about hiking. If you can do it on your own or with other travelers, that would be great. Budget for $5 for a dorm room and slightly more for a guest house private room. Food is pretty cheap, and that should set you behind by just $2. And expect to spend around $4 on a bus of 5 hours, but transportation within one area can be around $1.50. Since the country is majorly about trekking. Trekking is the most expensive activity, with most trekking permits going for around $20. However, not every day will be a hiking day. So you'll save money on those days you won't go hiking, hence bringing down your overall budget. 5. Indonesia, $28 per day. With over 17,000 islands, Indonesia is a land of contrast and variation. From forests, volcanoes, beaches to wildlife. Indonesia has so much to offer if you are willing to go off the beaten tracks. Each island is different when it comes to food, language, religion, and culture. Bucket list destination Bali or Jakarta can be extremely expensive. But once you get away from the most touristic areas, prices become lower. Street food is the way to go to eat cheaply, between $3 to $5. You will also be able to find dorms for $5 and private rooms starting at $15. Even though the daily budget immensely differs from island to island, Indonesia is still one of the cheap countries to visit in Asia. 4. Vietnam, $25 per day. Halong Bay, a World Heritage Site, and its dozens of islands. Covered with a tropical forest, is probably one of the most beautiful places in the world. Still protected from mass tourism, Vietnam is perfectly adapted to world travelers. $15 a day will be more than enough to travel, eat, sleep, and discover this country, which has managed to preserve its cultural heritage perfectly. A pint of Bia Hoi, the cheapest beer in the world, only cost a few dozens of cents. A meal will cost you less than $4, and you can easily find private rooms for under $10. Renting a motorbike, which is highly recommended to truly explore the country, costs around $13 per day. Whether it's biking through the country or camping in the third world's biggest cave of Hang En, Vietnam will definitely offer you some of the best cheap holidays in Asia. 3. Laos, $25 per day. Due to the lack of a coastline, Laos is often neglected. That's a huge mistake. This small and authentic country has a lot to provide. Both untamed and welcoming, life in Laos is slightly expensive than in Cambodia, especially in touristy cities like Luang Prabang and Vientiane. But if you're not too greedy and get off the beaten track, you'll get away with it for a cheap price. Bus rides cost around $1 per hour, and the classic fried rice that you can find everywhere costs roughly $2. A 3-course meal in a restaurant is approximately $10. Private rooms can be found at $20. Laos also offers an opportunity to do outdoor activities like kayaking, hiking, ziplining, and hot air ballooning at undeniably budget-friendly prices, making it one of the cheap places to travel in Asia. 2. Cambodia, $24 per day. Cambodia is the perfect place to start your trip in Asia. It is not only one of the best places to visit in Asia but also one of the cheapest places to backpack. No wonder Siem Reap is called the Backpackers' World Capital. The country is most known for its famous Angkor temples. From taking a bike ride through the rice fields to relaxing on the white sand beaches of the Koh Rong Islands. Indubitably cheaper than its neighbor Thailand, everything here is at a very low price. You will find superb hostels and guest houses for just $3 a night. If you are not a fan of street food, even more traditional restaurants are affordable for less than $5. Make sure to try the delicious local food like the amok, a fish cooked in banana leaves with coconut cream. Buses and tuk-tuk are also very cheap and convenient. Cambodia is one of the cheap Asian countries to visit that won't rob you of your arm or leg. 1. India, $20 per day. Welcome to the land of the mighty Taj Mahal. From its superb beaches in the south to the Himalayas in the north, and the historical sites in the center, India is a world in its own right, a fascinating continent to discover at a low budget, making it the cheapest Asian country to visit. Luckily, it is also one of the cheap destinations in Asia, especially the northern half of the country. Though the south is more touristic and slightly more expensive, it also remains very affordable. The cost of living is so low that you can fully enjoy your trip without the guilt of spending too much. Transportation are incredibly cheap. For example, a 20-hour train ride will cost you less than $9. Don't be afraid to try street food, there is no better way to eat cheaply like this. Veg thali is less than $2, a glass of fresh fruit juice costs only a few cents. And classic restaurants are about $4 per 7. Accommodation in India is also cheap, with a night in a dormitory varying between $2 and $5. So if you were wondering whether it's possible to live on less $15 a day, India is one of the cheap Asian countries to visit in order to experience just that. Now that you know most of the cheap Asian countries to travel to, you can start planning your trip around this incredibly amazing and diverse continent of Asia. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button for my updated videos.